eating awesome. Step 1. Draw a circle. Step 2. Draw a wing. Step 3. Draw some details. A little legs, a stinger on his butt, and don't forget about these two little stripes on his forehead. Step 4. Draw a cute face. Step 5. Add the stripes. Now, in order to draw 2 stripes, you're gonna have to draw 4 lines. Step 6. Add the second wing. Step 7. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a super cute bumblebee friend. Bzz, bzz. Bye bye!